Hello kids, in this video we are going to learn seasons. Learn about seasons. Okay, look here. Summer season. There are three seasons: summer, winter and rainy season. Summer season, monsoon season or rainy season and winter season. First of all, we see the summer season. The summer season in India starts from mid-March and goes up to the mid-June. The summer season starts from mid-March and it goes on up to mid-June. It is extremely hot during this season since the sun is at its brightest. Days are longest and nights are shorter in summer. The hottest months in India are May and June. In India, the northern plains, plateaus and desert experiences maximum heat during this season. Places near the sea are also naturally cooler than those that they are not. Summer season is start from in India. It start from mid-March and goes on up to mid-June. Mid-March to mid-June. In this one, extremely hot condition, extremely hot is there during this season. Extremely hot since sun is brightest. The days are longer and nights are very shorter in summer. And this means hottest month in this one summer is the May and June. The northern plains, plateaus, desert, these one regions experiences maximum heat during this season. This season means summer season. Deserts, plateaus and northern plains in this region, very hot climate is there. Very hot weather climate is there in this one summer days. Understood no kids? Next see. It gets cooler as we go a little higher on hill station and mountains. In summer days, when we go to the high means hill station, mountains go up, there is a little cool. There is a little cool places there. This is why, because often visit hill stations such as Mussoorie, Simla, Ooty, Nainital, where it is the pleasant and cool even during the summer. On hill station, mountains, the climate, the weather is cool in summer days. So the peoples are oftenly going to visit in summer. This one Mussoorie, Simla, Ooty, Nainital. Because there is a pleasant climate, cool climate. Understood no kids? During the day, hot winds called a loo blow across the desert region and the northern plains. During the daytime, hot wind will blow. That one wind is called loo across the desert and northern plains. Many people die of heat strokes due to its intensely hot wind. Dust storms and sandstorms form when strong wind causes dust to rise higher in the air, thereby resulting in the much destruction and damages. Many peoples will die due to the heat stroke. Heat stroke, dust storms, sandstorms are formed in this one summer days because of high wind, strong wind, dust to rise higher in the air. They result in the destruction of and damages, property damages. Many peoples will die in this one summer because of heat strokes and dust storms, sandstorms. Understood no kids? Some time, the northern plains and the northern mountain experiences the strong wind and hailstorms during the summer. This occurs when the masses of cold air meet a masses of moist air. Sometimes what happen, kids, the northern plains and the northern mountains experience a strong wind. Sometimes they blow a very strong wind where in northern plains and northern mountains. Strong winds and hailstones during the summer. This occurs when masses of cold air meet masses of the moist air. During the storm, hails and balls of ice called the hailstones. During the storm, hails and balls of ice called the hailstones fall in huge quantities. Many a time, hailstorms damages property and life as well as. This is the fall down of the hailstones. When they fall in huge quantity, that time property will also damage and lives also will lose that one. Properties and life also as well as damages the properties and lives. Understood, no? Next one is the rainy season. Summer season over, next it's come rainy season. There are 3 seasons are there: summer, rainy and winter. Okay, now we are going to see the rainy season or monsoon. In India, the rainy season means monsoon begins in mid-June and goes on until end of the September. Rainy season when it start? Look here, kids. Summer finished. Summer over here mid-June. Summer start mid-March and goes on up to mid-June. Mid-June summer finish. After finishing the summer, what will start? Rainy season will start. Means mid-June. Some rainy season will start mid-June and goes on end September. Goes on until September, end of the September. Rainy season begins in mid-June and goes on until the end of the September. Moisture-laden winds blow over the Indian Ocean and Arabian Seas and reaches the western coast regions around the June, causing heavy rains along the coasts. Heavy rains along the coast is there because of moisture-laden. Heavy rains along the coast. Heavy rains along the coast because of moisture-laden wind blow. Moisture-laden wind blow over the Indian Ocean and Arabian Ocean. Reaches the western coast regions. Understood, no? So in the June, around the June causing heavy rains around the June causes the heavy rains along the coasts. There are called the monsoon winds. That is called the monsoon winds. Around the coastal, that one heavy rains. That one is called the monsoon winds and bring dark clouds and causes a rainfall over the India. That brings a dark clouds along with it. That one monsoon winds bring a dark clouds along with it and it's a rainfall over the India. By mid-July, the entire country receive a heavy rainfall. In the time of mid-July, entire our country India, mid-July, entire country receive a heavy rainfall. Agriculture being the main occupation in India. Agriculture is the main occupation in India. We are adapted on monsoon. Agriculture is the main occupation of India in India, and we are started when it is started in rainy season. No, we are depend on monsoon. Next on the page, kids. Rains throughout the year. However, there is a time when there is too much rains, which destroy the crops, and other times when there is no rainfall at all, thus causing the droughts. When rains, heavy rains, that time what happened? That time flood will come. When rain came heavily, that time floods are come that destroy the property, lives, etc. When the rain which destroys the crops, almost all, but when causing the very low rain, there is sometimes there is a too much rain is cause the flood, and too low rain causes the drought. Means there is, if there is a no rain, that time what happen? Everywhere heat, hot increases, and it's destroy the lives, destroy the properties. Understood, no kids? In India, the coastal region and the Himalaya receive the heavy rainfall, whereas Rajasthan and some part of the Gujarat receive a poor rainfall. Some area in India receive a heavy rain, and some area in India receive a very poor rain. Where it is a very poor rain, it causes a drought. Where a poor rain, it causes a drought, and where a heavy rain, it causes a flood. Understood now? Both destroys. If you get a flood, there also destroy property and lives. If you get a drought, that time also destroy a property and lives. Both destroy. Cyclones causes a terrible damage and destruction of lives and property. Yes, cyclones causes a terrible damages of destruction, properties, lives, etc. The deltas of Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri have been affected by the cyclone storms. This one, deltas of the Godavari, Krishna, Kaveris are very affected by a cyclone storms. There were, when the cyclone come now, very destroy of the lives, property will happen there. They are very affected. Next one is, do you know, kids? Here is there one India map is there. It is the annual rainfall and monsoon. Here rainfall and monsoon is there. Annual rainfall and monsoon is there. Look here, is here given a key. Legenda is there, key is there. See this one picture is the above, purple is color there, green is there, faint green is there, yellow, blue, purple, pink is there, green is there, faint blue is there. This is the centimeter, it means the measurement of the rainfall. It is number given in rainfalls, colors, and the measurement of the rainfalls are given here. See this one, kids. We see from below to above. Faint blue, here 30 centimeters in 30 centimeters in this one, where it is a desert place, there is a very poor rainfall is there. Where there is a poor rainfall is there. Next is the green color, 30 to 60 centimeters. Look in this one places, there get this one little more rainfall. Next, this one color is pink or purple is 60 to 120 centimeter is there. Look in this one area, it get a rainfall this quantity. Blue, 120 to 180 centimeter rainfall is there in this one area. Yellow, 180 to 240 centimeter rainfall is there, where it is in yellow color. Look in this one map shown. Green, 240 to 300 centimeters. 240 to 300 centimeters rainfall is there. It is the measurement of the rainfalls is there. Find out this one. Green, dark green is there, no kids? Look in this one. Next, high rainfall is this one. High rainfall is there. Dark green, bottle green is there. 300 to 420 centimeters. It is in centimeters is given in this one. Seas, coastal plains, where the cyclones will come. It is the dot is there in this one areas. 300 to 420 centimeters rainfall will be there. And in this one dark, this one navy blue color is there, no? Above 420 centimeters rain will fall down. Find out in this one where it is there. Look here, kids. This one is there. Means here very rainfall coastal areas is there. Look in this one. In this one areas very above 420 centimeters rainfall will be there. Understood, no? Next we are going to see the do you know? Look here. Mausinram, a village in East Kasi, hill districts of Meghalaya in the northeast, is reportedly the best place in the country. Mausinram, a village in East Kasi. Mausinram village is in East Kasi Hills district of Meghalaya in the northeast, is reportedly the wettest wetted place in the country. It is always wet place. Mausinram is a wet place, reportedly always wet place in our country. It is in East Kashi Hills. It is in East Kashi Hills district of Meghalaya. District in Meghalaya. Understood, no kids? Next one we are going to see the Atman. Atman season comes after the monsoon, just before the winter season sets in. Atman is also known as fall. Trees shed their leaves during this season. Weather is cool and pleasant. This one Atman season is the in between the which one season? Rainy season means monsoon and winter. Atman season is the in between rainy and winter. It is known as the falls. It is known as falls because in this season trees shed their leaves. In this season, trees shed their leaves means fall down their leaves of the trees. All leaves of the trees fell down in this season, in this time. So, this is called the fall time. Weather is cool and pleasant. Understood, no kids? Now we are going to see the winter season. Summer over, rainy season over. Now we are going to start a third one, winter. In between rainy and winter, which one season will come? Atman season will come. Winter season starting from November. Rainy season will start from when? Mid-June to end of the September. And the winter starting from the November and experience winter season until the February, November to February. The days are shorter and the nights are longer. In winter season, the days are shorter and nights are longer, but it is in opposite in summer season. The mountainous Himalayas receive a heavy snowfall. The northern plains too experiences extreme cold during the winter months. In the desert region, the days are very pleasant, but nights are very cold. The coastal regions experience a pleasant climate. In these days, almost all places experiences the pleasant, but in desert place, They are feel a night time very cold, and in summer time in daytime very hot, and winter time in night this one very cold. Understood now kids? Spring. Spring season also known as the golden season. Spring season is known as the golden season. Follows the winter season. It begins with the Basanta Panchami festival. Spring season is the golden season. Follow winter season. It follows the winter season and begin with the Basanta Panchami festival in early February and goes on until end of the March, onset of summer. This one spring season will start February and until end of the March, onset of summer. Spring season is marked by a pleasant weather. Then all the trees and plants are in bloom. In this one, which one? At month season, the trees set their leaves. Trees are set their leaves, fall down their all leaves. But in spring season, what happened? Pleasant weather will very pleasant everywhere when all the trees and plants are bloom. In some spring season, plants and trees are bloom. When the crops ripen and the field look golden with crops ready for harvesting. In spring season, the crops what happen? Ripen. All crops ripen and the field looks like a gold. So this season is called the golden season. Understood now why the spring season is called the golden season? When the spring season will start, in this season the plants and trees are in bloom and the crops will creep. Crops ripen and the field looks like a golden color with the crop ready for harvesting. Nature looks at best during this season. In spring season, nature looks very best during this season. Look here kids, in this here picture, winter in India. In winter time, what happened? Everywhere cool is there. And spring season, the nature looks very beautiful. And when the spring season will start, Basanta Panchami. In this one northern India, they will celebrate Basanta Panchami. In spring season, the plants and trees are bloom and the nature look, it's a very best, very good, very beautiful in these days. Understood no kids? These are the our seasons. Summer, rainy season and winter season. In these three seasons, again two seasons will come, which are they? Autumn season and the spring season. Understood kids? Thank you for watching the video.